guys, a big surprise is coming. I am up to something. I'll visualize and organize a prank that you cannot imagine. My name is Andy. Everybody knows me.
What's the prankster? Nobody's better.
My name is Andy. Everybody knows me.
What's the prankster? Nobody's better.
This is totally gross and humiliating. Was it worth it? Totally. Let me explain. A couple of days ago, I was off from school feeling a bit under the weather.
Here's your homework.
Jeez, couldn't they go easy on a sick guy?
Your hangnail didn't raise much sympathy. Then when DeRosa's pants ended up flapping on the flagpole, they figured you already had too much time on your hands.
Flagpole? Pants? What are you talking about?
Ha! False modesty doesn't suit you. Besides, it's me you're talking to.
I was home all day, honest. Obviously something's up, and not just the flagpole.
So anyway, Craig said he'd give me a copy of the team picture after the hockey season opener. Get out! I'm totally serious.
You are like so lucky.
I know.
Boy, you must have really pathetic lives if you find a picture of apes on skates so exciting.
Hey! Keep your mitts off my food!
Aren't you supposed to be sick or something?
Only sick of you, Jen.
Yes! Good one.
Andy, next time why don't you run yourself up the flagpole? Come on, let's go before we lose our appetites.
Hey, did you see the new exchange student from Toronto? He's such a hottie.
Huh?
She's exaggerating. He's not that hot.
Andy, come on out! I know you're there somewhere!
I'm telling you, Danny, I had nothing to do with that flagpole stunt.
Andy! Listen, you little twerp. If you ever humiliate me in front of my teammates again, I will personally kick your butt.
You know, Jen, you generally don't make any sense to me, and this time is no exception.
Don't even try. Only your twisted brain would think ruining my gymnastics routine would be funny.
Jen, Andy's telling the truth. We've been in class all morning.
And I'm supposed to believe his little partner in crime? You! Leave me alone!
Hey, nice routine. But I think you tore something.
Okay, if it wasn't you, who did run DeRosa's pants up the flagpole?
I'm betting it's the same person who messed with Jen's routine. Someone's honing in on my turf, and I don't like it.
Hey, Andy. Danny. Can you help me out?
Martin, why are you holding that egg?
Well, Brian and I were playing this game, but then he had to go to the bathroom, but that was like half an hour ago, and he hasn't come back yet.
Brian! Martin, I think you've been had.
Oh, no. Brian would never leave me here on purpose. He's too nice a guy for that. He probably just forgot.
Wake up, Martin. I should know. I am Andy Larkin, the world's
Hi,
great...
Andy. Feeling better today?
Lori, hi. I mean, yeah, I'm feeling lots better. Thanks for asking.
So, will you be going to the hockey season opener? The whole town's worked up about it. It's even being broadcast on the school radio.
I'm not really a big hockey fan.
That's too bad. I'm covering the game for the school paper, and since I don't know much about hockey, I was hoping we could go together and you could give me a few pointers.
Sorry for butting in, but I couldn't help overhearing. I'm Brian, and you're Lori. The hot, I mean, talented school reporter, aren't you?
You like my writing?
What's not to like? Flowing line and lots of information.
Brian, I'm still holding the egg.
By the way, I love hockey and would be more than happy to give you a few pointers.
Lori, I'd be happy to help you out for your article. Can you believe that?
Not one bit. If he really was a hockey fan, he would never have had this.
The Anti-Jock League?
Whoever correctly answers this question first gets the girl and a lifetime supply of pizza pockets. Is Brian, the smarmy new kid in school, a fraud and a hypocrite?
Huh?
You betcha.
That's right!
Beauty! Come on. If I'm gonna stand any chance with Lori, I need to spend more time at the rink.
Guys! Hey, guys! Wait! You forgot about me!
Oh, hi, Lori. I've been looking all over for you.
Oh, hi, Andy. What's up?
Two things, really. First, you're looking at the new assistant to the assistant coach of East Gackle's hockey team.
Oh, that's nice. Hey, have you seen Brian anywhere?
Brian?
Yeah, I found some books for him to read on writing the perfect article.
Which brings me to number 2. I think you might be interested in this.
Yeah, and?
And this fell out of Brian's pocket. He's a fraud. He's fooling you. He's not interested in sports or probably even writing. He likes pulling pranks.
Right. You're sure you're talking about Brian?
I know how this sounds, but you have to believe me.
Oh, Andy, if I didn't know better, I'd say you're a little jealous.
Well, who's jealous? I'm just looking out for you. Ah! No!
Joe!
Methinks we should stick around for this.
Now, Craig, hold your hands like this. All you have to do is pass your hands in between mine without touching them.
That's easy.
Ah, but the trick is to do it with this on.
Oh.
Most people can do 50, but if you're really good, you'll reach 100. Okay? Go!
1, 2, 3.
Tricking someone who thinks a lavatory is where lava comes from doesn't require any talent.
7.
Really? And what makes you think you can do better, Dumb and Dumber?
Oh, just the fact that the principal's got my parents on speed dial.
Oh, yeah? Well, enjoy it while it lasts, because things are about to change.
Let the prank-offs begin.
All right! I've reached 100!
The trick is to tilt your head all the way back, like so, before trying to get the quarter into the funnel. Who'd like to try?
That's easy. Let me do it.
It's all yours. You're right. That was easy.
Oh, hey, Jervis. Whoa! The bathroom's the second on the left.
I guess he has to go.
It looks like he just did.
Andy, just the person I was looking for. Why don't you come and try this little game I've got going?
Obviously, this guy thinks I'm a complete doorknob. I don't think so, Brian. It's just that these aren't pre-shrunk jeans, and I don't want them to shrink while I'm wearing them.
Are you saying that I'm trying to trick you?
Hey, you're not as stupid as you look.
Well, I'll prove to you that it's not a trick.
You know I have to do this.
Andy!
Yeah, it's not what you think.
Really, Andy, when are you gonna grow up? And to think you wanted me to believe Brian was a prankster.
Oh, I can't believe this. I was so looking forward to class this afternoon. I hate missing school.
You poor guy. Let's go see if we can find any dry pants for you to wear. By the way, I really enjoyed studying with you after school yesterday.
You studied together? Okay, maybe I am a little jealous.
I need you to take some photographs of the tropical fish that the natural science class acquired.
I'd say that definitely backfired.
This picture is the best, man. I look really pumped.
Seriously, we look totally hot.
Ugh.
What are you rolling your eyes at, dweeb?
Yeah.
Nothing, really. I was just seeing how far around I could see. Yeah, that's all.
Oh. Okay, then. But you better not try any funny stuff, because I'm still mad about that stunt you pulled with Brian and me.
Excuse me? Stunt?
Brian told me all about it when I went to pummel him for making me look like a dope.
You mean that gag with the blindfold?
Yeah, that's it. He was testing my coordination skills, and you made him leave me there like a clown.
No, I didn't.
All right, let's hit the ice, boys.
Just remember, no funny stuff, or else.
Brian.
That means you, too.
Hey, what's taking so long?
Coming right up.
I want some more.
With you in a sec.
Where is he? You're dead meat.
This is definitely not good.
So why'd they fire you anyway?
Fired isn't exactly the word I'd use.
Well, at least we know that purple and blue are definitely not your colors.
Oh, Andy. Defacing pictures? Isn't that, like, so third grade?
You don't think I actually did that, do you?
Who else would do such a thing?
Nice eye. So you didn't get enough of scribbling on pictures in kindergarten?
And where were you last night, Brian?
Don't you ever give up? Hi, Brian. Are the pictures of the tropical fish developed yet?
Well, see, the thing is, I guess Andy's still up to his tricks. Huh?
What? What's wrong?
My bike, it's missing.
Andy.
I can never be too careful these days. I wish I knew why Andy does these things.
Oh, this Brian guy's real crafty. Pranking himself and blaming it on me.
And this is a problem because...
Because Lori now believes I'm some pathetic pranking loser.
Didn't Lori already think that?
Yeah, but at least before it was true.
You are so sad.
I'm sure he's leading up to something big. I can feel it. So I'll just have to head him off at the pass. But how?
Hi, Brian.
Hey, Lori. Guess what? I'm the hockey team's new assistant to the assistant coach.
Good for you. I'm glad they found someone more mature than their last guy.
Ordinarily, that would upset me. But with Mr. High and Mighty as the team's new assistant, I see a light at the end of the tunnel. It's payback time. Watch it with that file.
Sorry.
A brilliant operation, well executed.
James Bond's got nothing on us. Oops.
Okay, 007, get up there.
Hey! This isn't mine? What the? Well, this jersey's got someone else's name on it.
And these aren't my gloves? Brian! What's going on here? All of our stuff is mixed up.
I don't know. Everything was in order before I left last night.
Well, now it's not. So you'd better fix it before we fix you.
Danny, do you copy?
Roger that. I'm ready.
Okay then, make sure you're there at 8:30 sharp, and be quiet.
You got it.
Tonight's gonna go down in history. Lori, I didn't see you there.
So why's tonight going down in history?
Because the team's gonna win. Yeah, that's why.
Mm-hmm. Just try not to do anything stupid, okay?
Craig Bennett, forward. Rodney Carter, goalkeeper. Thomas Dewey, goon. Hello?
Hello? Is this the East Gackle School radio announcer's booth?
Yes, it is.
This is East Gackle's fire chief. We're at your home battling a 5-alarm blaze. I thought you might want to know.
I think you'll find these names much more interesting. That should warm up the ice a bit. Let's see if those clowns know how to swim.
Hey! My skates are blunt too!
Man, you're even worse than that geek Andy.
I'm telling you, they were all sharpened 24 hours ago.
Brian! Oh, there you are. The radio announcer's gone AWOL. We need you to fill in.
But Coach, I don't even know any of the players' names.
Don't worry, the list is in the booth. Now hurry, the game's about to start.
Number 27, Homer D. Poe passes the puck to number 44. You and I are gassy, but it's intercepted by number 8, Scott Free, and he's going in, but it looks like Mount 10 Snow. Number 36 is not going to let it happen this time. What's going on, Coach? Why'd you stop the game?
Because you're reading the wrong names. And you've got the mic on internal speakers. Idiot!
Hey, this is like turning into a pool party.
Had enough yet, Brian? Ready to give up?
Give up? Are you crazy?
After tonight, you have to admit that I'm the better prankster around here.
You gotta be kidding. I'm the one who got that scatterbrained Lori to believe I actually liked hockey and that I enjoyed working for that lame paper of hers.
Come on, Lori only fell for that because she's so trusting, not because your pranks are any good.
Please, she's just plain gullible, just like those dumb, ignorant Neanderthal hockey players. I will give you this, though. Melting the ice here tonight was pretty clever.
Hey, Danny, I think we better get out of here.
Huh?
for? He was the one who called you scatterbrained.
That's for doing something stupid after I asked you not to. And don't be too concerned about him. I'm pretty sure he's gonna get his any minute now.
Dumb, ignorant Neanderthal, eh?
This is totally gross and humiliating. Was it worth it? Totally.
Here you go, wash boy. These jock straps are next, and they better smell minty fresh when you're done.
Fox Kids, Fox Kids, Fox Kids, Fox Kids, Fox Kids.